Good morning. My name is Kiera Warner, and I'm going to be going over my career portfolio presentation. As you can probably see by now, my desired career is to be a dentist. So what exactly is a dentist and what do they do? A dentist is a doctor that specializes in oral health. A dentist's job is to teach people about dental hygiene, fill in cavities, give anesthesia, put in fillings or sealants, and repair and remove damaged teeth. These are just a few of the duties that a dentist has. So why do I want to be a dentist? Well, for one, I enjoy helping people, and I feel like a dentist is someone that definitely helps people. I'll have the opportunity to become independent in my career, like opening my own dental practice, which is what I plan to do someday. I can maintain a flexible lifestyle with the hours, earn a great salary, and choose from different career options, such as different specialties, and we'll talk about those later. And also, these are just my footers at the bottom of the page with the page number. You can't really see them on all of them, but it's on all of them except for the title slide. So how long does it take to become a dentist? An average dentist is in school for about 8 years to become a dentist, obviously. It's 4 years to obtain a bachelor's and 4 years to obtain a bachelor's as an undergraduate and 4 more years to receive a DDS or DMD in dental school. So 8 years total on the average. So a very important part about any job is the salary, of course. And as of May 2020, the average salary for a dentist in the United States is $164,000 per year. This is equal to about $78 per hour. So I decided to list the top 5 states with the average pay. Rhode Island has the highest average at about $185,000 a year, and New Hampshire has the least highest average out of these 5, which is about $167,000 a year. But these are just the top 5 in the United States. So job outlook. Overall employment of dentists is projected to grow about 8% from 2020 to 2030. That's about as fast as the average for all occupations. About 5,000 job openings for dentists are projected each year on average over the decade. Many of those openings are expected to result from the need to replace workers who transfer to different occupations or exit the labor force, such as to retire. So with that being said, it's a pretty fast growing job. These are just the different type of specialties you can do to become a dentist. So after you get your bachelor's and go to a dental school to receive your either a DDS or your DMD, you can complete a residency for at least a year to just pretty much up your pay and have more options in the career field, like a pediatric dentist, endodontics, dental anesthesiologist, dental public health, oral medicine. Like I said, these are just a few of the career options you have in the dentistry career. So the different degree options in order to become a dentist, you obviously need a bachelor's. You can either get a bachelor in biomedical sciences. That is the option that I'm taking. I'm getting my degree in biomedical sciences. You can also do biochemistry, physics, chemistry, psychological sciences, biomedical engineering, and biological science. These are just a few options though. So your required classes, the 4 basic classes you will need is biology, chemistry, physics, and math. These will be broken down to like the exact biologies, chemistries, physics, and math you'll need, but these are just the 4 basic classes that you're going to need, but they're going to be broken down into more classes, obviously. So different degree types. When I'm trying to become a dentist after you get your bachelor's to receive your graduate degree in dental school, you can either receive a DDS or a DMD. The DDS is a Doctor of Dental Surgery, and the DMD is the Doctor of Medicine in Dentistry or a Doctor of Dental Medicine. These are the exact same degrees. There's no difference between them. It just literally depends on the school that you're planning on attending. Like, for example, I plan on attending UAB School of Dentistry. So that school offers the DMD, which is the Doctor of Dental Medicine. Just depends on the school. It's the exact same degree. So a very important step into becoming a dentist is the DAT. The DAT is the test that you will be required to take in order to get into dental school. The DAT stands for dental admission test. It is scored on a scale of 1 through 30. The average DAT score is 17. The test costs about $500 and is given year round. I don't think there is a fee waiver as of now, but it's a year round test. The DAT is 4 hours long and includes survey of natural sciences, perceptual ability, reading comprehension, and quantitative reasoning. So, how to become a dentist? In order to become a dentist, you will need to do the following. 1. Obtain a bachelor's degree, maintain at least a 3.2 GPA, shadow and talk to other dentists, pass the DAT, attend a dental school, and then receive a DDS or a DMD. And lastly, this is just my works cited page of all the information I used to create this slideshow. And thank you for viewing my presentation.